Hello, Bernd. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, Bernd, why don't you start by telling us a little bit about your history with IBM Collaboration?
Oh, well, I have to keep it short, I guess.
Yeah, we only have 7 minutes. So.
Yeah, okay, so I'm not used to talk short, but, well, I'll try. So we are civil engineers, 700 civil engineers planning the roads and the railroads you are traveling on, and also the stations you are resting in. So I guess everybody of you has used one of our products without mentioning, right? So civil engineers are a business where you have to do cross-company collaboration. We are working in cross-company teams to achieve the success for a customer. And so we invented hardly in IBM technology for 20 years now. And IBM helped us to achieve cross-company collaboration in 1999. Because we built Domino applications that we used on the Domino utility server for all of us in the teams, in the product, in the projects, not only for the Vossing guys, but also for all other participants in the projects. So 2014, and that's really a little bit later, we bought connections on-prem. 2017, we put that in the cloud because cross-company collaboration is cloud-based, far more easy to achieve. And we have the guest user model. And we enjoyed it, to have a collaboration scheme on one community per project, right? And now, you might guess what's missing. Same time, it was a great thing, right? But does it cross-company? No, it does not. So on day one, when we discovered Watson Workspace as a new product, we already thought, okay, this replaces what is the missing thing to connect to our customers on a chat basis. And, well, chat is one thing, but often in the projects we work in, we are the host of meetings. We are the host of online meetings, too. And, you know, when you are the host in the name of your customer, and you did not manage to get all into the meeting, let's say a web plugin did not do what it should, right? And you are the meeting idiot. And what we want to achieve, and I really appreciate what Zoom has done, we want to be the meeting heroes, right? We want to put everyone in and make it a success, and make it a good feeling of, well, that was a great meeting. And this is what we have done. So we bought that 86-inch Dell monitors for all our branches and put a PC behind. And we're using Zoom in Watson Workspace now, or maybe with Zoom Rooms later. I'm really looking at that. And what is happening is we have a chat conversation before the meeting. We use content from the chat conversation. We're going in the meeting, which you click another time, and then just switch that over and use that wonderful meeting thing. And you know what happens? We don't have cables on the table, right? What do? They join the meeting from their notebook and share their screen over Zoom, because it's much more easy than to attach a cable to a notebook. So I really must say this solves a lot of our issues with meetings and also with collaboration cross-company. And so I want to thank you all for getting me here. I want to say I'm buying blue but bleeding yellow, right? And we are really looking forward to achieve more AI capabilities with what Watson does in Workspace and also in other products. But we will ever stay on one thing. We will develop Domino applications to make our projects a success. Well,
thank you, Bernd, very much. We appreciate it.